Safety isn't just the swims. It's what happens on site every single day. Open your project, site management, then safety. Let's report an incident properly, start to finish. Something happens. A near miss, a hazard, an injury. Click Report Incident and get it down on the spot. A title, the type of incident, how severe, and where on site it happened. Then the story, while it's still fresh, what happened and what you did about it straight away. There's room for the people involved and witnesses, the root cause, and the corrective actions. And at the end, the WHS question, is this one notifiable? Then report it. And there it is, on the register, dated with a live status. Watch it move through the workflow, reported, then investigating while you dig into it, and closed once the fix is in. The tiles up top keep score across the whole project. That's a safety record you can actually show someone. Now inspections. Your checklist templates live in project settings, under checklist templates, frame stage, lockup, waterproofing, practical completion, a daily site safety check, ready out of the box, or create your own with the items you check on every job. Back on the project, click New Checklist. Pick the template. We'll schedule the daily site safety check. And hit Schedule. It lands on the register, ready to run on site. Tick the items off as you walk. Flag anything that fails, and sign it at the bottom. When you need to show you run a safe site, to a client, an insurer, or a regulator, it's all sitting here, organized and dated. Safer sites, cleaner records, less stress. Next up, your site signage.